So that is going to conclude our coverage of specific modules in the standard library. As I've said many times before, there's much, much more to it. I just wanted to show you a small sampling of what is out there, and importantly, how to use the standard library, how to access these modules, how to import in specific objects, how to create, use the constructors in these modules to create new objects, and then to use dot notation to find all of their functionality. There's just so much in here to explore. And as you start going deeper into your Python programming career, you'll do some internet searches. You'll figure out which libraries to use in the standard library and become more familiar with them. Whenever you need to, and whenever that time arises. It's just impossible to really cover all of these. Of course, you can just sort of skim through a lot of these yourselves. It will take a long time, but you can go through here and sort of, just click on some of them and see how a few of them work on your own. There's no stopping, nothing should be stopping you now from going ahead and trying to use some of these in your own programs. All right, so that's it for the standard library. There is a lot more, and we will access it when needed.